US and China trade war has not gone away. If anything, it could come back into the spotlight full blown. Right, remember recapping earlier this year in January, after months and months and months of US and China going at it back and forth with this trade war, they finally did something historic and they signed a phase one deal to put them towards good relations on the trade front. Okay, but that phase one did see China needing to buy X amount of US products as part of the deal. Now, in the clause, something that's picked up quite scaring a lot of attention, within the clause of that phase one, it did say that in the event of a natural disaster or an unforeseeable event, i.e. now we've got one, right, this coronavirus pandemic, that there can be fresh trade consultations. So if anything, China has an excuse of sort of getting out of, they have this clause, getting out of what they need to do that was agreed as part of that phase one deal by, triggering these fresh trade consultations. And it, as I say, it could be an excuse for them. And Donald Trump actually recently did kind of give China a warning, a soft warning that they better not play that card, basically, otherwise he'll completely end that trade agreement, that phase one deal, which would be a catastrophe again. It would just mean full-blown trade war, back to square one. And my point is that should not be disregarded. This very well will start to garner some attention again, particularly as relations they're a bit hit and miss between US and China, particularly some of the stuff Trump's recently been saying, that China intentionally caused this pandemic, the coronavirus, so on and so forth. There's a lot of insensitive things being saying that could just spark full-blown trade war once again, and we're back to square one. So I think it's very important that we're aware of this and that it could start to pick up some attention again. And what did we see previously? We saw big flights in safe haven. Gold was number one, really benefiting from that trade war. So it's just something to keep an eye on. I believe that could get the spotlight once again soon. Other than that, baby, look, in terms of up-to-date fundamentals, up-to-date technical analysis that ties all into it, set up, so on and so forth, do not hesitate to check out our membership. We've got a busy week this one. Let's get it.